What's up, party people? Welcome to my channel and Happy New Year. In this video, I'm going to talk about my strategy for ICO and how I'm going to profit from it. And hopefully, you can find information very helpful to your own investment strategy. So, with that being said, let's get straight to it. So, right now, I have been investing heavily into those lending platform ICOs because I see great, um, profit potential in these opportunities. And let me explain it to you. Let's pick an example. The WorldCoin, right? It's becoming more and more famous, and more and more people start to notice it. And it actually, it's being called bitconnect 2.0 because this business model is very similar to bitconnect, but it's actually paying much better than bitconnect. As you can see, the coin value has gone up substantially to $57, and this is a brand new ICO and a brand new platform. It was launched about a month ago, very new, and during the ICO the coin was below $1. So if you get into the coin when it was under $1, and now it is at 57. Actually, it was at $70, and just a small correction here. So can you imagine? This is unbelievable profit here. Let me do a brief calculation for you. Let's just say you spent 500 and you bought spent 500 to buy the ICO. The coin is at $50 per coin, and you get $1,000 during the ICO, right? And now how much is one coin? 57.88 times that. That's $58,000. So you just turned $500 into $58,000 in 1 month. Okay, in the span of 1 month, that's 50x, that's 60x return here. Can you believe that? So, and now I have found some other opportunities to do the same thing, and the coin might not go up this quickly. I mean, but it's definitely gonna go up as well, probably to $10, $20, $30, that's for sure. So let me show you some of the platforms I've been investing in. This one is called Goldgate, and it just had everything laid out. It has you still can buy the ICO now, but I think it's about to be over. So yeah, dashboard. This is buy tokens, just wallet, just lending, and just affiliate, just exchange. I mean, they have everything already laid out, and if you go take a look at their white paper, let me see. Oh, okay. I mean, you can go search for its white paper, and read it. But right now it's at 1.75 US dollars per coin, and I just bought 400. That's like how much is $700, $700, yeah. And it forecasts the coin's gonna go up to $14 immediate after uh, after it hits the exchange. So I can immediately 10x my investment. That's almost guaranteed. So, and by that time I can decide if I want to keep hold it or sell it or invest into the lending program. So same thing here. This platform is called Chirosis, and you can see here the coin is set at 85 cents, and the price will increase in 3 days. I think this is the round one. This this is round one of the ICO. So this is the cheapest price. I just got 500 tokens. You can buy using Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and this is also a very new platform, and you still have time to get into if you want to. And the other one, just like I showed you, it's called BitAI. This one is actually pretty famous because people say it's being backed by bitconnect promoters and developers, and it's gonna be bigger than bitconnect. So I'm really looking forward to this platform. And you can see I already have 526 tokens, and here's a payment for $500. So yeah, so overall my strategy is to sell part of the coins immediately after it hits the exchange. So usually after it hits the exchange, the coin will at least 10x. So I probably will sell 30% of my position and lock in some profits, immediately after it hits the exchange. And we'll see how it's going from there. If the coin price continue to go up, I might hold the rest of it and ride the wave. If the lending program is actually looks very good, and I probably will also invest some of my holdings into the lending. So currently my strategy is to sell half and lend half. It depends on the platform. If the platform doesn't seem so legit, then I might probably sell most of my coins. So yeah, it all depends on what happens after the ICO. But whatever happens, I'll still at least 10x my money. So that's the beauty of these investments and strategies. So yeah. So there you have it, and you can ask me any questions down below in the comments if you're interested. And another thing, here's a quick update for my Polynetwork. This is the third platform I've been using, and this platform seems is becoming better and better because they have launched many new features. As you can see, they have added Poly Exchange, which is an internal exchange. You can exchange your Poly AI tokens into Bitcoin and withdraw it directly from the platform. So it seems like they've been developing the platform heavily, and I think it's a good sign. Here's my total interest for 5 days, and every day they pay me 1.5%, and every day at 10 a.m. they've been paying me for this amount consistently. So I'm very glad about that. And landing. So this is how much I land. So yeah, I think this concludes the video, and thanks again for watching. I hope you find my information helpful. Again, this is not investment advices. This is just what I'm doing. And yeah, you can comment down below, and please subscribe to the video if you haven't done so. Also like the video and share it if you if you enjoyed it. And Happy New Year! I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.